Understanding the difference between metric and U.S. customary measurement systems can be crucial, especially in contexts like science, international travel, or trade. Here's a comparison of the two systems. Overview. The metric system is a decimal-based system used worldwide, especially in scientific contexts. It is based on multiples of 10, making conversion straightforward. Units: length meter m, mass gram g, volume liter L, temperature Celsius, degree C. Conversion: length 1 kilometer km equals 1000 meters m, mass 1 kilogram kg equals 1000 grams g, volume 1 liter L equals 1000 milliliters ml, temperature Celsius, degree C equals Fahrenheit, degree F minus 32 multiplied by 5/9. The U.S. customary system, also known as the Imperial system, is used primarily in the United States. It's based on historical units and has, well, less consistency in conversion. Let's talk about the units. For length, we have inch, foot, yard, and mile. When it comes to mass, we use ounce, pound, and ton. For volume, the units are fluid ounce, cup, pint, quart, and gallon. And for temperature, we use Fahrenheit. Now let's dive into conversions. For length, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. For mass, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, and 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. When it comes to volume, 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, 1 quart equals 2 pints, 1 pint equals 2 cups, and 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. For temperature, Fahrenheit can be calculated as Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. So, let's dive into the comparison and use cases of the metric and U.S. customary measurement systems. The metric system, which is based on units of 10, is widely used around the world for its simplicity and ease of conversion. For example, converting between millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers is straightforward. On the other hand, the U.S. customary system, which includes units like inches, feet, yards, and miles, can be a bit more complex due to its non-decimal nature. This system is primarily used in the United States for everyday measurements. Now, in scientific and medical fields, the metric system is preferred because of its precision and universality. It's easier to calculate and reduces the risk of errors. However, in construction and real estate, the U.S. customary system is often used because it aligns with traditional building practices and materials. In summary, both systems have their unique advantages and are used in different contexts to suit specific needs. Understanding when and why each system is used can help you navigate measurements more effectively. Ease of conversion. The metric system makes conversions easier due to its decimal nature. For example, converting between milliliters and liters only requires moving the decimal point. On the other hand, the U.S. customary system has less straightforward conversions, often requiring multiplication or division by non-decimal factors. For instance, converting between gallons and quarts involves knowing that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Usage. The metric system is used internationally for scientific research, medicine, and in most countries. It's the standard in almost all countries except the U.S., Liberia, and Myanmar. The U.S. customary system is predominantly used in the United States. It's also used in some contexts in the UK and other countries for specific applications, like road signs in the UK. Application in daily life. The metric system is commonly used in most parts of the world for everyday measurements, such as height in meters and milk in liters. Meanwhile, the U.S. customary system is used in the U.S. for everyday measurements, like height in feet and inches and gasoline in gallons. Summary. The metric system is more uniform and universally accepted for scientific and international purposes due to its base 10 structure. The U.S. customary system, while more complex in conversions, remains prevalent in the U.S. for everyday use. Understanding both systems can be useful for effective communication and comparison of measurements across different contexts.